I'm from Bangalore. How does the vaccination works in our body?
Vaccination is like a weakened virus which doesn't produce the disease but provokes a chemical in your body which helps you fight and kill the viruses. Once you take in the vaccine, the body develops antibodies and then you're strong to kill the virus and eliminate them. So you need to vaccinate.
இந்த கொரோனா தடுப்பூசி குழந்தைங்களுக்கு எப்போ அவைலபிளாக இருக்கும்?
They have vaccines already tested in the 12 to 16-year-old age group, but these are just getting available in India. But it'll take a little while. Don't forget, this speed at which vaccines have been available has never happened in history. So we're very fast. So it'll happen eventually.
मी माझ्या मित्र-मैत्रिणींसोबत बाहेर खेळायला जाण्यासाठी कधी सुरक्षित होणार?
If you were to ask me, it is safe for you to go out and play in the open air. What is dangerous is closed room sitting together huddled. No. But keep your mask on, that's all I'll say. Why? Because when you're running hard. So you're breathless. When you're breathless, you're exhaling the viruses. If you're infected, if one person among you is infected, you're exhaling viruses, it can infect the others. You may have no symptoms. You're absolutely fine, healthy, no fever also, but you could be expelling the virus through your breath. So you need to protect your friends also, you need to protect your brothers and sisters. Therefore, you will wear a mask, but you can play, but you don't have to hug each other and you don't have to fight with each other and do a wrestling match, no.
मेरे पापा कहते हैं कि बड़े लोगों सबको टीकाकरण लगने से हम बच्चे सुरक्षित हो सकते हैं, ये कैसे संभव है?
Yes, all vaccines from childhood, it has been proven that any number of viral diseases, the only thing you have is protection by vaccines. So vaccination will protect you, and as and when it is available for children, all of you should take it, because that is your method to become the strong Superman.
मुझे फिर से स्कूल जाना है, क्या वो जल्दी खुलेगी?
Increasingly schools are opening up globally. Children don't spread the virus as much as people thought they would. It is doable provided they continue to take precautions. Of course, all the teachers that come should be vaccinated and they should have the mask on. And the children should also have the mask on. The windows of this classroom should be open so that there is enough air circulation, and the virus, if you keep breathing into a closed room, the virus keeps building up in the room. So you need to allow the virus to go out. Fresh air should come in. Open doors, open windows, fans running, then you're okay. You can start your school all over.
मेरे पापा को रोज काम पर जाना है, मुझे उनकी चिंता होती है, मैं उनकी मदद कैसे करूं?
It is good that you're worried, because if you're worried, then you will take precaution. And what are the precautions that we know work? Your father shouldn't be interacting with people without mask. When he is using the mask, he should use it correctly, covering both the nose and the mouth. Once you have worn the mask and interacted with people, someone among them may be infected, there will be virus here. So you don't touch this area. So you have to touch this and take it out, you take it out from here. He should not eat his lunch in his office facing his friends, or just think that, oh, he is my colleague, so he won't be infected. Nothing like that. Assume that everybody is infected, so that is the only way your father can protect himself. As soon as he touches any object which is other than his own, he should sanitize his hands properly. And if you don't have a sanitizer, soap and water is actually better than sanitizers. So your father, it will be a good habit if he's interacting, if he's in a public space, for example, he works in a bank or a hospital or anywhere there is a public dealing, he comes back home, keeps his bag separately, don't children to handle that bag, has a bath and keeps his clothing separately, washes his hands nicely, and then only sits down for anything.
क्या मैं बाहर जाके स्ट्रीट फूड खा सकती हूँ, जैसे चाउमीन, बर्गर, समोसा? क्या ये सेफ है?
Don't worry, you can have street food. Problem is, when you're standing around a hawker and all of you have your mouth wide open like you have for a Golgappa, that's the problem. So if you have Golgappas, you can have Golgappas, go to the vendor with your mask on, get the Golgappas from the fellow, go to the side, then not facing any other human being, you can have your Golgappas. Or if you've gone as a family, all of you living together, all of you can surround the hawker and have it from him. But make sure he wears the mask.
मला कधीपर्यंत मास्क घालावा लागेल का आयुष्यभर वॅक्सिन घेतल्यानंतर बी मला मास्क घालावे लागेल का
So for the moment we do not know how long we need to wear a mask until we have sufficient evidence that the virus has produced enough herd immunity or the virus has been eliminated by vaccines or whatever and the spread is not there, no new spikes or surges are happening. Until then we have to live with the mask. It is part of our existence now.
क्या वॅक्सिन घेतल्यावर मला सुपर पॉवर मिळेल का
There are a lot of myths associated with vaccines that a vaccine will cause more illness, a vaccine will give you superpower, a vaccine will do this and that. No, all that the vaccine is designed to do is create antibodies in your body to fight the virus, and it does nothing else. You do not become a Superman, none of that. It just helps you fight the virus, and against the virus you are powerful.
डॉक्टर क्या टिकट कोरोना की दवाई है
There is no medicine for any viral illness as yet. Not a single viral illness. Any number of viruses have been identified. Chickenpox, smallpox, rabies, measles, mumps, rubella, HIV, corona, SARS-1, H1N1, Ebola, so many viruses. We don't have a single drug against any one of them. Why? Because virus by itself has no life. A virus to have life must enter a human cell and take over the functioning of that cell. And therefore, if you have to kill the virus, you have to kill the human cell. And the only way to protect against any virus is vaccine. There are no drugs at all. There are drugs that are claimed as antivirals, but these are only reducing the multiplication rate, reducing the transmission rate, reducing the infectivity rate, reducing the duration of the virus in our body, but it is not killing the virus. My appeal to all of you out there, as and when children's vaccines are available, please get vaccinated. Adults, if you are protected, your child is also protected. The only rakshak for the family is the vaccine and the mask, the hand washing and the physical distancing. Please follow this until we have won our battle against the virus. Raksha for children.